In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to auto-send proposals or estimates after a form is filled out, a process that can save you time and streamline your client communications. If you're looking to automate your workflow and ensure that your clients receive proposals immediately after filling out a form, stay tuned because I'll walk you through the best way to do it in just a few minutes. This process can be a game changer for anyone handling quotes or estimates regularly, whether you're in sales, service-based businesses, or just need to save time on administrative tasks. You'll learn how to set up automatic emails with proposals or estimates to be sent as soon as a potential client submits a form on your website. The first step is setting up the form itself. Make sure your form collects all the necessary details like client name, email, and the specifics of their request. These details are going to be the key to customizing the proposal or estimate that will be automatically sent to them. Now we'll talk about integrating this form with the software that will handle the auto-sending of your proposals. There are plenty of tools out there that can do this, but I've tested most of the popular ones and found that the one I'm going to recommend for this tutorial works best for streamlining the process. You can grab an exclusive free trial for this software in the description below if you want to follow along. Once you've signed up for the software, you'll want to connect your form to it. Most of these tools allow you to integrate your website forms directly, or you can use a third-party tool like Zapier if necessary. After integration, you'll want to set up a workflow where as soon as a form is submitted, an email with a proposal or estimate is automatically triggered. Within the software, you'll create a template for the proposal or estimate. It's important that this template is professional, but also flexible enough to include the dynamic fields from the form, like the client's name or details about the services they requested. The idea here is that the template will pull in the information provided by the client in the form, making the proposal or estimate personalized and specific to their needs. Once the template is set up, you'll configure the trigger. This is the most important part. You want to make sure that when someone submits the form, the system recognizes it as a trigger and sends out the email right away. The software should allow you to set this up without any coding knowledge. You'll also want to make sure the email contains a clear subject line, a professional greeting, and any additional follow-up steps, such as scheduling a meeting or contacting you for more details. Some systems even allow you to include attachments like PDFs of the proposal or estimate. With everything set up, you can test your form to make sure the proposals are sent automatically and look professional. If everything's working as expected, you'll save time and ensure that your leads get proposals quickly. Here's the key takeaway. Automating the process of sending proposals or estimates right after a form submission is one of the easiest ways to increase efficiency and improve client experience. By using the right software, you can streamline your workflow and give a faster, more professional impression to potential clients. To recap, we've gone over 1. Setting up your form and making sure it collects the right data. 2. Integrating the form with our software. 3. Creating a custom proposal or estimate template. 4. Setting up the trigger to automatically send the proposal after a form submission. 5. Testing to make sure everything works smoothly. If you want to follow along, make sure to grab the exclusive free trial in the description below. Available only to viewers of my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.